Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with another hair tutorial featuring this lovely LuluTress is the name. I believe that's how it's pronounced. It's spelled L-U-L-U and Tress, T-R-E-S-S. So, this is Bohemian 1B 18 inch, and I will be showing you how to achieve this look. So if you would like to know how, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm crocheting the back here. I'm putting that crochet needle through the wig cap, putting that hair on the hook, pulling that through, opening that hoop, and pulling the hair through twice. So again, I'm gonna put that crochet needle through that wig cap. I'm grabbing the hair, I'm gonna put that hair on that hook, and I'm pulling that through, and then I'm just gonna loop that through twice until that's secure in place. And I'm just going to continue that throughout the rest of my head. I am getting ready to take the crochet hair and I'm going to split it into 2 pieces so that I can create more volume for my hairstyle. And I'm just going to continue to crochet through the rest of my hair. Okay, so now I'm just taking the scissors and I'm just going to cut along on the wig cap where I have created the invisible part. And I'm just gonna go all the way back until the part that I created stops. And then I'm just going to continue to crochet the rest of my hair. Okay, so I have gotten to the point where we need to start the invisible knotless crochet method. So basically I'm entering that crochet needle through my hair, putting the hair through the hook, closing that latch, pulling it through, opening the hole and pulling one string through and then tightening at both ends. And basically you're just going to continue to do that until it is all full at the top, and then you're going to trim your hair like such until it reaches your desired look. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is a hairstyle that you will try in the future. Let me know what you think about the hair. I really would love to hear back from you guys. So please leave me lots of comments. However, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And please enjoy the rest of these slow-mos. And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful and lovely day.